Welcome back to the Philly Pilates Bootcamp channel here on YouTube. This is Pilates for athletes, and this is your 15-minute express workout for a stronger core. Let's get right into it with the Pilates 100. Head and shoulders up off the mat, nose pointing to the belly button, legs extended up off the mat, arms long. Let's pump the arms for 100 reps straight through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 99, 100. We always do a couple extra just in case we missed a couple reps. It happens. Single leg raise, 20 repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. All right. So other side, same thing. 20 reps of the single leg raise. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. All right, other leg. Leg circle outwards, 10 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Same thing on the other side. Leg circles outward, 10 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Excellent job, guys. Let's switch again. This time, leg circles inward, 10 reps. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right. Other leg, same thing, leg circles inward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, so now we are going to repeat the same sequence again, but this time bilaterally, meaning both legs in the same time. We were doing it unilaterally previously, meaning one side at a time. Now we're doing it bilaterally, meaning both sides at the same time. Double leg raise, 10 repetitions. 1. All right. 2. All right. 3. Excellent. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. Excellent job. So now we do double leg circles outwards. So now both legs at the same time going outwards. 10 repetitions. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Excellent job. Now we do it in reverse, opposite way. Instead of going outwards, we go inwards. Both legs. Double leg circle inwards. 10 repetitions. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right. Let's get into side lane position. And let's keep top leg hip height and swing it forward 10 repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Same leg circles in reverse or going outward, going back. 1, any direction is fine. 2, as long as we switch. 3, to the other way. 4, after the set. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Other way, same thing, leg circles, 10 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Squeeze that top oblique. And 10. Oh yeah, I felt it burning right towards the end. And it reminded me to remind y'all to squeeze that top oblique. That is what we are working with these movements. Thighs as well, but you really want to squeeze from here, okay? Top leg swing, 10 repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, leg circle outwards, 10 repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Leg circles inwards now, the other way. 1, 2, 10 reps as well. This is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Excellent job, guys. Okay, so let's come over here. We're going to go for straight leg donkey kicks, 10 repetitions. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. With the same leg circle outwards, 10 repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Other way, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, let's repeat that same sequence on the other side. Straight leg donkey kicks, 10 repetitions. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I was about to say pump reps. 9 this workout. Leg circles outwards. Let's go. 10 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, let's start putting it all together. So, high planks. Let's hold it. Let's hold the position. Brace the core. Let's hold the position for 30 seconds. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job, guys. One more movement. Same thing all over again. Plank, 30 seconds. This time, low plank position on our elbows. Same thing. 30-second count starts now. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job, guys. This was Pilates for athletes, your 15-minute express workout for a stronger core. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment your suggestions down below. Thank you for tuning into the Philly Pilates Bootcamp channel here on YouTube. Until next time, peace.